How to share a screen on Messenger video call. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose. In this video, I will show you exactly how to share your screen on a Messenger video call. So let's get started. Open Messenger, sign into your account, open a particular conversation. Now start a video call with any contact and make sure you grant all the permissions. After that, you need to tap on three dots at top right corner of your screen and tap on call settings. And here you need to simply tap on audio output and select speaker on phone. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.